Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPhone charger adapter is probably one of the most essential accessories for your new iPhone. With the latest iPhones often shipping without a charging brick, finding a reliable and efficient adapter is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of iPhone charger adapters, exploring various options to help you find the perfect one to keep your device powered up and ready to go. Number 5. Basesailor USB-A to USB-C Adapter 2-Pack. Tired of having the wrong cables? This adapter lets you easily convert your USB-A ports into USB-C. It's a simple solution for charging and data transfer. Designed for USB 2.0, this adapter supports data transfer up to 480 megabits per second and charging up to 5 V2A. Please note that it is not for video output or high-power charging. Built with an aluminum alloy housing, this adapter is made to last. The metal body helps with heat dissipation, ensuring stable and reliable performance. This adapter is designed to stay plugged in. Its low-profile design means it won't get in the way, reducing wear and tear on your ports. This versatile adapter works with a variety of USB-C accessories. It's a practical way to keep your older USB-A devices compatible in a USB-C world. What we like. This adapter easily converts your USB-A ports into USB-C, perfect for charging and data transfer. It's built with a durable aluminum alloy, ensuring it can withstand daily use. If you have a lot of older USB-A devices and want to keep them relevant in a USB-C world, you should consider this. What people say. Super useful and durable and high quality to the touch, feel nice. Uses Type-C. No issues inserting in a port for access to my work PC. Always worked without an issue. Charged fast. Worked well. Fit all my charging cords without an issue. I use them on all my flights and airports, as USB-C connection on board of aircraft or at the waiting area of airports is not always available. I highly recommend it as it is practical, ultra small, ultra lightweight to carry in one's shirt pocket. Number 4. USB-C female to USB male adapter, 4-pack. This handy adapter allows you to connect your USB-C devices to standard USB ports. It's a simple solution for expanding the compatibility of your existing devices. Please note that this adapter is designed for charging and data transfer only. It does not support video output, MagSafe wireless charging, or USB 3.0/3.1 speeds. The adapter converts a USB-C female port into a USB-A male port. Just plug it into a standard USB port to create a USB-C connection for charging or data transfer. Enjoy data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. It also supports up to 3 amps of power output, ensuring fast and safe charging for your devices. It works with a wide range of USB-C peripherals. You can easily connect your USB Type-C cables, flash drives, and hubs. It is compatible with iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Apple Watch, AirPods, iPad, and Google Pixel devices. It supports a wide variety of devices, making it a versatile accessory. What we like. This adapter allows you to connect USB-C devices to your USB-A ports. It offers fast and safe charging, with data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to connect your new devices to older chargers or computers, this is a great choice. What people say. These work great and saves money on more cables. Worked fine and great price. Now I can use my USB portable charger with all of my devices. Number 3. Ceptics WPS 5B Travel Adapter Kit. This travel adapter kit is designed for the modern traveler. It allows you to charge up to 7 devices at once, making it perfect for keeping all your gadgets powered up on the go. It features 2 USA outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports. The USB-C ports offer 20W QC 18W power delivery, and the USB-A ports support Quick Charge 3.0, ensuring fast charging for compatible devices. Designed with travelers in mind, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, with a travel pouch included. This makes it easy to carry in your bag without taking up much space. It includes built-in surge protection to safeguard your electronics from voltage spikes. The voltage indicator LEDs clearly show whether the outlets are running on 110V or 220V. The kit comes with 6 SWADAPT attachments, making it compatible with outlets in various countries. It includes adapters for North America, the UK, Europe, Australia, Japan, and more. Please note that this adapter is compatible with dual voltage products only and is not a voltage converter. It will not work with 110V items. Also, it does not include an adapter for South Africa. What we like. This travel adapter is designed for the Globetrotter, offering multiple USB ports and worldwide compatibility. It also includes surge protection to keep your devices safe. If you travel frequently and need to charge multiple devices, you should consider this. What people say. It was easy to change between countries, it always worked, and it has enough USB ports. It works just fine in all those places. It is very compact, and with the 2 built-in USB chargers it's very convenient. The way the different plugs slide in and out of the bag makes this a very handy adapter that takes up minimal space. We also love the 4 USB ports on the side. We can plug in nearly everything we need. Number 2. Ceptics CTU-16 Travel Adapter. This is the Ceptics CTU-16 Travel Adapter, designed for your international adventures. It's ultra-compact and perfect for charging all your devices while you travel. It features dual USB inputs, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. This adapter provides up to 2.4A of power, ideal for your phone, tablet, or other USB-powered gadgets. The adapter accepts standard North American plugs, eliminating the need for messy universal outlets. It's a simple and efficient solution for your charging needs. The CTU-16 is ultra-compact, measuring only 1.5 by 1.5 by 1.75 inches. It's also designed with safety in mind, with a maximum load rating of 10-15A250V. This adapter is compatible with Type 1 outlets, commonly found in Australia, China, and New Zealand. Remember, it's designed for dual voltage products only. Designed in the USA, this adapter comes with a limited lifetime warranty. If anything goes wrong, simply return it, and they will replace it with a new one. What we like. This adapter is ultra-compact, making it perfect for travel. It features dual USB inputs and comes with a lifetime warranty. If you like a simple and reliable adapter for your travels, you should consider this. What people say. Plug and USB both worked. The adapter also features USB ports which were handy to simultaneously charge my cell phone and other items. Use them only for the USB outlets. Number 1. USB-C to USB-A adapter, 3-pack. Tired of carrying multiple cables? This adapter lets you connect your USB-C devices to standard USB-A ports. It's a simple solution for all your charging and data transfer needs. Enjoy fast charging with up to 2.4 amps of power output. It also supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. This ensures your devices charge quickly and transfer data efficiently. Made with premium PET soft material, this adapter is built to last. It can withstand over 12,000 bends, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, iPads, Samsung Galaxy phones, and Google Pixel phones. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing devices. Please note that this adapter is designed for charging and data transfer only. It will not support video signal transmission. Also, it cannot be used with MagSafe wireless chargers. You'll receive a 3-pack of these USB-C to USB-A adapters. If you have any questions, our customer support team is ready to assist you. They will respond within 24 hours via email. What we like. This adapter allows you to connect USB-C devices to your USB-A ports. It supports fast charging and is made of durable material. If you like a reliable adapter for charging and data transfer, you should consider this. What people say. The adapter works perfectly. The design is sleek and compact. It charges my iPhone quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.